Okay, let's have a look at button. So as you can see, I have one button. When you type number 1 and number 2, after you calculate it, you may like to reset. So let's create the implementations using another button. I will call it as a cancel. Object name for this button, I will say btn cancel. Event handler, handle btn cancel. For this text field, you don't want to make it as editable, so let me just turn it off. Let's add one data field, change to private, then add annotation, then you can create new handler. Actually, implementation is pretty simple. Let's say tf number 1, set text, you can add empty value. Let me repeat, change to num2, tf sum, that's it. Rebuild project, run it. So if you have 100, 200, 300, I'm trying to edit, you cannot edit it. You can cancel. That's all. Thank you.